I found something odd that I just wanted to check and see if anyone else has seen anything. Connecting the Sennheiser MKE200 using the cable into my Sony A6600, I'm hearing a lot of connection issues with the cable. Obviously there's, even though it's dampened with the shock mount, it's still very susceptible to just noises. But this, I thought maybe I had a bad port. So I disconnected the cable that came and I tried the cable that came with my Synco G2 wireless transmitter, same thing. And when I plug that into the camera, microphone, and then into the A6600, nothing. It's completely quiet. It's the same, obviously, sound that the mic's picking up. The cable, no crackling. So I don't know, but I'm thinking that the cables that come with this is, I don't know, something's not right. I just wondered if anyone else has noticed this or not. So, let me know. I'll let Sennheiser know, and hopefully we could get it figured out. Thanks all.